Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. When Ogunda Méjì divined what Olofìn wanted, story. In the forest, there were 3 hunters and woodcutters, and they killed an elephant. But the elephant, mortally wounded, collapsed in front of the house of Olofìn. When Olofìn saw it, he examined it and found inside its belly a gúìro, calabash, with a lid. Inside was a child who had in his left hand white and red beads, and in his right hand a small stick used to play the drum. When Olofìn saw this, he summoned all the Bàbáláwos to divine what was inside the elephant. As none of them could give the correct answer, he had them all imprisoned. Then he decided to call Ṣìngún Ṣìnlókò. Ṣìngún Ṣìnlókò consulted his Ifa, and his Odu Ogúndá Méjì appeared. Ifa told him to make a bow with a rooster, smoked rat and fish, corn, and that when he went out walking, if he encountered any poor person, he should give them alms. This poor person appeared 4 times, and on the last occasion, he said that Olofìn had sent for him. Then Èlégbà, to whom he had offered the rooster, told him, "Listen, when you arrive, tell him that what the elephant has inside is a gúìro, carrying a child who has Odu in the right hand and a small stick in the other hand, and that he should release all the Bàbáláwos he has imprisoned and pay each one a fine of a goat and money. Prayer, Ogunda ei awapari, awa tematashe aun mosode, Olofìn agbani Bàbáláwo adifa Ṣìngún Ṣìnlókò, idi obasun umbati ile Olofìn lorubo runmila meta momo koya eise irabo beno Olofìn epo ra adifa fun aguse tinsoda awo nide Ogunda Méjì rubo."